Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. Welcome back to the channel. We're doing a Wondagurl beat. I have not done this for a while, so we're gonna do one. I haven't been practicing my 808 slides, so this is probably gonna be horrendous. Yeah, there's my intro. Sick. Alright, like the video, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. You know the deal. Let's just make this beat. I'm done. Guys, this is the third video I'm recording today. I just can't be asked with another long ass intro. Alright, in memoriam, because that's the standard bell that we use. For Wondagurl, it would be tight. Alright, cool little melody. Yeah, I think I have done this a lot. You know what? I have an idea. I have a lovely idea. Let's bring this here. All right. This is getting me very excited. Okay, hi-hat. Alright, now let's get this snare. Holy crap, this is so quiet. Alright, kicks now. Let's get the kick going. Alright. Slow your roll there. Come on, Omnisphere, shut the f. You know what? Ah, wow. What the f? Alright, I can't take this. Omnisphere, you're pissing me off now. Let's use Edison. Where's Edison? You know what? I'm just gonna use a different f***ing sound because this is pissing me off now. What the hell? Why? No, I'm getting hot now. I'm getting hot. This is pissing me off. Oh my god. Thank you. Right. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna take a nice ass shower after this video. I deserve it. Let's just do these 808 patterns because I'm just gonna strangle somebody if I 808, let's go. No way, just stretch automatically!
Years later.
Jesus Christ! Oh my god, alright.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Okay, those are some decent drums. Alright, I'm gonna probably add a flute because this melody is kind of dry. This melody's really dry, actually. So I add this flute. Hopefully it saves it because I don't know what the hell I'm doing anymore. I'm just really pissed off and really tired and really hot. Alright, and And slow it down. All right, there you have it. There is the Wondagurl type beat. It's all done. Yeah. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment on videos in the future in the comment section below. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications after you subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.